I really love the look of extended half double crochet here. I've used it in this pattern and I've worked into the front loop only with the extended half double crochet. You can see that it looks very similar on both sides with one bar unworked. Let me show you how I do that. I've got 2 rows here worked. So this is the row I just finished. I've got my my loops and then my 3rd loop here. So when I turn my work, this is my front loop, this one in the center. This is my back loop, the one that's almost hidden behind my work. And this bar down here is my 3rd loop. For this particular pattern, I'm going to be working into the front loop only. So I have a bar behind and a bar in front and below that are remaining unworked. So I yarn over, insert my hook into the front loop, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. That's my extended half double crochet. Yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, this is what it looks like on the back. All right, I'll do it one more time. Yarn over, insert my hook into my front loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, and easy as that, that's the extended half double crochet.